Nutcracker and Zalman. We're from Campus Kashi, and today we're going to be showing you a couple of gifts that you can buy for under 100 dirhams.
It's my birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thanks.
This is Zalman.
And we're from Campus Kashi, and right now we are, no we're not.
We're not at all, not even a little.
No, not even a little.
No. Hello, I'm Zalman.
And I'm Uzma.
I'm just this weird guy that just happens to be here today.
It's crazy. It's a giant gold camel.
It's a shiny polar bear.
Polar bear.
It's sparkly.
Which is good for any of those environmentally minded friends that you might have that are concerned about the fact that the polar bears are going. Like Al Gore, for example. This would be a great present for Al Gore.
But that Fanny Wang.
Which one?
Here, it's like 30 dirhams. 70 dirhams. 30 dirhams. 70 dirhams. 110.